Hey, hi, everyone. I'm Teja and I'm working as a MuleSoft developer at TCS Software Solutions. So today I'm going to discuss about how to set up MuleSoft Standalone Server and registering the server in Anypoint Runtime Manager. Here we are going to discuss about how to download a standalone server and set it up on premises and registering the server in the Runtime Manager and also deploy an application in the Mule Standalone Runtime. Mule Standalone Runtime is ideal for hosting applications locally or in private data centers. And this setup gives you more control over your server environment and also resources. And this is the great option when you are working with sensitive data that shouldn't be hosted in the cloud. And it is also ideal for integrating with complex legacy systems that are still running in on-premises. And if your applications don't need to expose it externally, then this setup provides more controlled environment. So before getting started, make sure you have an Anypoint platform account and also Java 8 or higher version installed in your system. So now let's download the standalone runtime. So we can download the standalone runtime in MuleSoft official website or in Anypoint platform. So here I'm using Anypoint platform. Here to download the standalone runtime into the Anypoint platform. If you scroll down, you can check that there is an option called as Anypoint Studio. Here you have to click on download. It will navigate to another page, and here you have to select product as MuleSoft standalone, and you have to select version and also operating system, and after that you have to click on download. If you click on the download, then you will get a mail which will be look like this. So here you will get a link, go to the download page. If you click on here, it will navigate to another page which will look like this. So here you have to click on download zip. If you click on download zip, you can check that the zip file is getting downloaded. Here I have already downloaded the zip file and extracted it. After extracting it, that folder structure will be look like this. If you want to run your server, you have to go to bin. So let's start our server. Here on the bin, you have to click on mule.bat. Like if you click on mule.bat, that server will start getting deployed. So you can check that it was getting deployed. So here the server has been started. We have successfully installed our MuleSoft standalone in our on-premises system. So let's register this server in Anypoint Runtime Manager. To register this server, you have to go to Anypoint platform. In that, you have to open Runtime Manager. In the Runtime Manager, you have to click on servers. In the servers, we have to click on Add Server. In the Add Server, you have to provide the server name. Here, I'm giving a custom server name as a custom server, and you have to copy this command. After this, again navigate to the bin folder, and here open command from here, or else cd to this folder. Here we have to paste this maven command, and here we have to remove this dot s and we have to give dot bat because we are using a Windows server. So if you click, you can check that is agent is getting started, and it was creating a server in the runtime manager. Let's wait until it is created. You can check that Mule agent configuration saved successfully and agent configured successfully. So if you open this runtime manager, you can check that the server has been created, but it was not running. To run this server, we have to restart our application. So let's terminate this server and restart our server again. So until it getting restarted, if you want to deploy any application in Mule standalone server, so in the apps, you can directly paste the jar file. If server is running, then it will automatically get deployed. So let's check whether our server is started or not. Yeah, our server is started. So let's open Runtime Manager. See, the status is running. So we have successfully registered that server in Runtime Manager. So let's deploy an application in the runtime, in that hybrid deployment. So to do that, we have to provide the application name. So here I'm giving hybrid demo as an application name, and I'm selecting that hybrid server which we have created. And here we have to select the file. I'm uploading a jar file. So here the desktop I have placed, I have already one jar file. So I'm adding this jar file, and I have to click on deploy application. So you can check that that jar file has been adding into the runtime manager. Once it is added, then it will start deploying. Let's wait until it's get deployed. You can check that it was uploaded successfully and it is started deploying. So meanwhile, we can check this server. You can check that hybrid demo project has been deploying in the Mule standalone server. Let's wait until it's get deployed. Here you can check that application. It was showing the application is started. Let's open Mule server. Here also it is started hybrid deployment. If you observe earlier, there is no application in the apps folder. So see if here that hybrid demo project is successfully added. So like this, we can deploy an application using Runtime Manager. And that's it for today's video. If you found this is helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.